Hello Junior 4. Today we will complete talking about the digestive system. In the last lesson we talked about the first organs in the digestive system like the mouth, the pharynx and the esophagus, and from the esophagus the food goes to the stomach. Today we are going to know what happens to the food inside the stomach. Inside the stomach, okay, this is the shape of the stomach, there are some digestive juices, and these digestive juices that secreted in the stomach when the food reached it change the food into semi-liquid substances. Semi-liquid, not completely liquid, no, it is semi, half liquid. Semi means half. And there are also the gastric juices, and the gastric juices work on the proteins. It make incomplete digestion for the proteins. The protein is digested incompletely, not all the proteins complete, not digested completely, okay? So there are the digestive juices changing the food into semi-liquid substance, and the gastric juice make incomplete digestion to the proteins. This is what happens to the food inside the stomach. From the stomach, the food will go to the small intestine. The small intestine. If you look at this picture, the yellow part is the small intestine. The small intestine is very tall in length because it is coiled around itself. So its length is about 7 meters. The length of the small intestine only is about 7 meters, okay? And it consists of two parts, the duodenum and the ileum. The duodenum is the first part at the end of the stomach, and the ileum is the part inside the large intestine. So the small intestine consists of two parts, duodenum and ileum. The first part, duodenum, what happens inside it? First, liver secretes bile juice in the duodenum, and the bile juice is working on fats. It changing the fats into fatty emulsion. And also the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice in the duodenum. So the liver secretes the bile juice, which change the fats into fatty emulsion. Can you see how the fats change it to fatty emulsion? Very small droplets of oil, and the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice in the duodenum. This what happens in the duodenum. Then the food goes to the ileum, and in the ileum all the types of food are completely digested. All the types of food, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, completely digested in the ileum. In the next lesson, we are going to know what happens to the food after it is completely digested and what happens in the large intestine and its function. Thanks, Junior 4. See you in the next lesson.